Good morrow, everybody. Welcome to another Booba's Tales. Today's tale is why a crane has such long legs and a red crown. A tale from the Cree people. Back when Tiger used to smoke, Crane thought it would be an excellent idea to go to the moon, just to take a look around. But how would he get there? He would need the help of someone who could fly. Rabbit asked all the large birds if they would fly him to the moon. Hawk said he was much too busy. Eagle said he'd be happy to fly him to the moon, but he just couldn't fly that high. But overhearing this conversation, Crane said he'd be happy to fly Rabbit to the moon. Crane knew he could fly farther and higher than any of the other birds. So Rabbit grabbed onto Crane's leg, and off they flew. As Crane flew higher and higher, stronger and stronger, the weight on his legs from Rabbit began to stretch his legs further and further out. And the higher they flew, the strain on him became harder and harder, which turned his head bright red. But eventually, they did make it to the moon, and they were both rewarded with such a magnificent view of the earth. Ever since then, Crane's relatives have long legs and a bright red crown to remind them of the kindness they gave Rabbit by flying him to the moon. Thank you all once again for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you again.